What is up, guys? It's Brandon back with Motor Nubs. I'm down here at jmills tuning. It's starting to rain outside, but it's super loud inside there because he's got like a heater on, a bunch of people working on cars. But I just swapped over the eBay no-name wastegate to a eMusa, which is still a Chinese wastegate, but I got it off Amazon, so it's got to be better, right? It's got a 90-day warranty. So also we're making a real dump tube, so it's not going to be blowing like all over my intercooler. And I put an omnipower 4-bar map sensor, so it should be the right recipe to make some horsepower. Let's go. What?
I'll be putting this on YouTube now.
This ain't going on YouTube.
I should have been recording all day. Alright, mark it right there.
See, he's been slacking today. No videos.
To get work done. Like go straight across the gap. You know what I'm saying? Like an even line that goes all the way across them. So James knows where to tack it.
Duct tape it on.
All the way across both middles. I'm gonna weld a dick and balls on there.
Alright guys, what is up? It's Brandon back. I just got done at the dyno. The new wastegate's on. James hooked me up. He made me a dump tube, so that way my dump tube's not just blowing all over the place. It's actually blowing down at the ground now. We got the omnipower 4-bar on, and he went ahead and threw a basemap on it just so we could at least drive it around, because my old 4-bar wasn't even letting, like, it would sometimes lean out and sometimes it was running rich, so it wasn't safe to turn it up on that one. But he did not have time to actually tune it right now, so this video won't have a conclusion. But I would like for y'all to comment down below. I'm looking to make 400 horsepower. I want you guys to guess how much PSI is it gonna take. And just for like background reference, on 10, I think it was 9.5, almost 10 PSI, it made 260, yeah. So, yeah, guess down below. I don't know what you're gonna win. Ain't gonna win nothing, but still, I just want to see. I want to see what y'all think. I personally am thinking somewhere in the 18 to 19 PSI range. Just off the top of my head, I'm gonna lock it in and say 18.5 PSI. But look out for that video coming here soon. It is raining like cats and dogs right now, so hopefully we'll have a good day maybe tomorrow and see if we can get that thing on the rollers and get it going. But oh, and we noticed that it's leaking a little bit of oil while we had it just sitting there in the shop, so we're gonna put it on the rack tomorrow after work and just make sure everything's good, because we don't need no big old oil leaks on the dyno. So thank you guys for watching. This is Brandon. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.